the new things, okay, which are added to the existing question bank. Those are some of the important topics which you can concentrate. And at the same time, how to prepare for some tips for preparation for coming examinations. You are also faced with so many other also exams, midterm exams. Apart from this, like from next month, say, of course, only 1 day is left. From next month, we are in the new year, and we will get the preparatory exam after full exams only. Right, March 1st it is scheduled, and we're all ready. We also, along with you, we should also get ready. Okay, so with that, so we will start the lesson, session here, and session will be 1 hour full. Okay, so 1 hour to, it may extend to 10 to 15 minutes. I want full cooperation, full concentration, and at the same time, 100% participation in the discussion. In case you may get any doubts in between, you may ask, okay, any questions related to this, and also syllabus or even new question bank. The first and foremost question you will have the doubt, so whether you get new question bank or old question bank, it is 100% new question bank. I was one among the committee members. There were 6 members, so you can see my name is also there in the committee. Okay, so there was lots of discussions held among ourselves. There was one review from Chikmagaluru. Okay, we had a meeting twice in PU board, and we just upgraded the standard of our subject. Okay, and I think you might have seen the questions are whatever you have seen in the question bank, no new question bank. The questions are, of course, some of them are hot questions, higher order thinking skills. They are just equated to CBSE syllabus, CBSE question paper. Okay, that's the intention. It is not just to make our subject difficult. It is just to make our subject standardized. Okay, it is not, our subject is not ordinary subject. Okay, that thinking everybody should get. That's the intention. Why all the committee members have decided, and each division we have added. Okay, now we will go. Okay, and here let me 1 second. I forgot to congratulate all of you. Why I should congratulate all of you? So many reasons to congratulate. Number 1, we are in India, right? Don't you think we are in the greatest part of the world, that is India, right? Though Russia is the biggest country in the world, don't you think it's facing the problem, the threat, attacks from other countries, right? And also you take some of the countries in Middle East, there is also fight going on, right? We are lucky that we are born in India, favorably located. We have got beautiful places in India itself. We have got wide varieties of resources we have got. Correct? So, and we can enjoy like anything along with some economic activities, right? So, firstly, I should congratulate that we are in India. Secondly, we are in Karnataka. We don't have much problems what Bihar is facing, what Manipur is facing. I think we're all observing, right? Okay, some of the states are disturbed, right? We don't have such problem. But we are in Karnataka. Second, the third one, you are in this beautiful college, excellent college. I've visited many colleges, right? I love to come to your college. I like to address you people all because of excellent campus here, very good faculty members, very good ambience, right? For that, so I congratulate all of you. Next, the 4th congratulation is you have taken our subject, that is economics, right? Our subject is the international recognition. Your subject is worldwide accepted. That subject you have taken in your combination. For that I congratulate all of you. Okay, right. Then why economics? Right? Why economics here? These are the reasons. Economics, what's so special about? Too many things are accountancy, computer science, they are good, sir. You may have a discussion among yourselves. But if you see these, right, it's a life science. It will give you the life. Economics will give you the life throughout your life. That's before the birth, even after the death, right? So it is helpful. We can apply before the birth. Parents will apply. After the death, children may apply. There's a life science. Wherever it is, we can apply. Then it provides financial discipline, how to make use of the scarce resources you have learned in first PU. Okay, so application of scarce resources, how to divert them towards the best possible usage. Then it is a mother of commerce. All other subjects, whatever you learn or learning in future, what you are going to learn, all are from where? Economics. Okay, business studies. Okay, or even whatever, anything you take, economic activity will be there. How you do in accountancy? What are the contents you learn in accountancy? Credit and debit. Okay, credit, debit, what it is? Exchange of money, transaction of money. Money is what? Economics only. So, commerce, of course, has come from where? Our subject, special privileges for economists. Just said about Dr. Manmohan Singh. He got elected, he was chosen for our country as Prime Minister twice. First time he was not directly elected by the people, he was nominated. Why he was nominated? Because of his extensive knowledge in economics. He was called by Americans, he was called by IMF, IBRD, but he didn't go. He said, see, I want to bring some changes in India. He brought the changes. What changes he did? 1991 reforms, You all learned all those. LPG, Liberalisation, Privatisation, Globalization. Okay, these are the dreams of Dr. Manmohan Singh. And we are flourishing, we are developing fast, we are competing directly with most of the countries right now because of what? The policies what we adopted in 1991. The architect is whom? Who is the architect? Dr. Manmohan Singh. We should respect with great gratitude. Okay? Then, you take the last one, Nobel Prize. Only 6 areas have got the Nobel Prize. 6 subjects. We have got the Nobel Prize for medicine, physics, chemistry, Nobel Peace Prize, and Nobel Prize for literature. 5 areas. And the next one is our subject, economics. You are learning that subject. Feel proud that you have chosen that subject in your combination. Okay, so feel proud yourself. Right? The Nobel Prize. Why the Nobel Prize is given? Yes, why the Nobel Prize is given? Any idea? Nobel Prize is given for what? Creativity. Okay, so before going to that, we should remember this person, Chanakya Kautilya, long back, 400 BC, right? More than 2,500 years back. He gave a new shape for our subject, that is Arthashastra, economics. But unfortunately, his book Arthashastra was not recognized by the Western people. Okay, so what he said, gone back, you see, lack of economic activities can bring a nation to halt or ruin. It may destroy if there are no economic activities. What economic activities? See, India is not at all facing that kind of a big economic problems like economic recession or economic depression. Economic depression you might have learned in first lesson macroeconomics. America faced, European countries faced, we also got affected little because we are controlled by the Britishers. Okay, so but after that, from recent, you take from 1991 onwards, we never faced economic recession. The slowdown in economic activities, no economic depression. Why? Because there are continuous or constant economic activities. They don't disturb economic system at all. Right? For example, we take this month we had a festival. Which festival we had? Yes. Christmas. Next month we are getting a festival. Sankranti. After that Shivaratri. After that Yugadi. Every month, almost throughout the year, we are got a festival, and we are secular. have got Muslim people and even Christians and Hindus. Any one of the festivals will be there. Throughout the year, economic activities will be boosting. And no loss for anyone here. Whatever is produced is sold in India. We are the world market. We have become the world market. Got it? And maximum number of Chinese goods are entering India because we are providing huge market to them. From recently we have got the startups and of course they are encouraging to use domestic. Okay, that is different one. So long back he has said here and ultimately we are following here. Who is that person? Any idea? Adam Smith. His contribution is great and because of his contribution we are trying to have a different economics, modern economics, right? Next, Alfred Marshall, consumer behavior theory. You know, we have got the person who is responsible for macroeconomics. John Maynard Keynes, James Keynes. His book became famous. New ideas came, right? Okay. Macroeconomics, James Keynes. Now, we'll come to your area, that is the division. Micro and macroeconomics. Okay. From now onwards, I'll take lesson wise and the important. Before that, I have got few slides from where you can see the most important topics are the marks weightage. Okay. So here you can see microeconomics, right? How many lessons we have got microeconomics? We have got 5 lessons. Okay. Chapter 1, how many marks you get? 6 marks. 2, how many marks? 20. 3, how many? 10. 4, 11. 5, 10. Total that micro, how many marks will come? 57 marks. 121 marks. Okay, will be your question paper questions. You will get the questions for how many marks? 121 marks. Out of which 57 will come from micro. 5 lessons are important. 5 lessons are with micro. Most important lesson number 2. You should not miss that. First lesson 6 marks. And there is no 6 marks question. You will not get 6 marks question in first lesson. 4 marks you will get, 1 mark 2 you will get. You can plan. 1 mark you can prepare, 2 marks also you can skip, and the 4 marks you can prepare. That way you can plan in the first lesson. Second lesson, all names are important. 1 mark is MCQs, fill in the blanks, and the following, 1 word or 1 sentence, and 2 marks, 4 marks, 5 marks, 6 marks. All are important. You should not skip this lesson. Very, very important. Chapter 3, how many marks? 10. Chapter 4, 11. Little bit important. See, 2 and 4. Highest weightage you can see in where? In microeconomics. Right? Okay. So, likewise you can plan. Here, possibility of 6 marks, 4 marks. Here, possibility of 4, right? And also, there is one more we have added. The new question. We will tell later that one. Right? And this one. This will plan easily. Depending upon what? The marks weightage. Right? Okay. Now we will go to this one. Next part, macroeconomics. So, how many lessons you have got in macro? 6 lessons. Micro 5, macro 6 lessons, right? First lesson, how many marks? 5. Only 5 marks will be asked from first lesson. Means 1 mark question and 5 marks, 4 marks question. Okay, 1 mark question will be there, and 4 marks question, only 1 will be there. No 6 marks, no 2 marks like that. Got it? Then coming to the next most important, chapter 2, 17 marks. National income accounting. This is also the most important after first, second lesson of micro. Okay, here lesson number 3 is also equally important. How many marks? 12 marks you will get. Chapter 4, 8. Then chapter 5, 10. Chapter 6, 12. This is also equally important. You can see 2, 3 and 6. Right? Okay, so here you can just make a plan yourself, right? Based upon the weightage, marks weightage. Okay, so now we will go to the important how to make yourself, right? According to me, I've chosen, even for my students I will tell you prepare maximum on this. That is lesson number 2, 3, 4, where? Micro. Lesson number 2, 3, 6 in macro. How many marks? 82. How much you need? 80. Okay, you need 80 marks. Out of 80, 80 only. 82 from these lessons. If you prepare out of 11, 6 lessons, okay, easily you are prepared for how many marks? 82 marks. But 1 mark you have to prepare from all the lessons. Apart from these 5 lessons are there now. All 5 lessons, whatever I have left out, you prepare 1 mark. 1 mark questions. Part A, okay, from all 11 lessons, but 2, 4, 5, 6 from these 6 lessons, you are prepared for 100%. But you should not leave any of the topics in these lessons. Any of the topics. Full. But if you take clean, it's not just studying all. Of course, our responsibility we have done. Got it? So, all the lessons we have taught, the knowledge you have got right now. Next, what you need? Marks you need. For marks, you should study smartly. Okay, you should choose the lessons. Okay, it's left to you. You may replace any of the lessons. Whichever you may feel it is easy. See, I have taken lesson number 3 in micro. Okay, production and cost I have taken. If you are not good in this, you will take the next lesson. Okay, right? Which you may feel easy. You can replace. That way you can plan and study. Got it? Okay. Right. Now we will go to the next chapter wise. Microeconomics introduction. Okay. So I've taken all the topics. Only one is missing here. Market economy. Right? Explain how the family of farmer become teacher. Very, very simple. Teachers are experts here. They have taught. Okay. And central plan economy, socialistic pattern of society. Take the example of China. Then production possibility frontier. Okay, that with graph and table. Then central problems of economy most repeated. You may also get this in 2 marks, and also 4 marks, and also in 1 mark. The last one. Market economy I have not taken. Last year, see, you can also plan like this. How to plan? You keep the last year's question paper. Last year, whatever the questions are asked, 99% they will not repeat. Okay, 99%. Whatever the question paper setter does know, he keeps what the previous year, the last year question paper, and he tries to set the paper, not taking the same from last year. If they have asked, say, features of indifference for last year, you will not get this year. That way you can plan. Suppose the question is central plan economy has been come, so you can just glance on it, don't concentrate much, and remaining 3 you can concentrate. Each lesson you plan like that. Repeat? Okay, that way you can plan your study, right? Okay, so next up. See the question, how the changes we have made. Simple. See, ABCD, resources are equal for the production. So, above this line, above that line, no, not possible. Why? Resources insufficient. What this F denotes? Yes. What this point F represents here? Underutilization of resources. The potentiality of the country is not fully used. Resources are being wasted. That is the question how the new additions are made. Right? Okay. Next one. So, this country is example for what type of economy? This? What type? This China. China? So, which type of system is this being followed? Good. Yes. Socialistic or central plan. What about this country? Market economy. Capitalistic economy. Very good. Okay. Then, economy. We are opening both. Nowadays we are getting more and more, and there is a possibility of new questions on this. Coming to the next lesson, most important. Okay. How many marks it is? 20 marks. Okay, 4 marks. See, difference between T and MU. Then budget set, budget line. 4 marks question. Indifference map. Graphs. Okay, it should be very, should be very well then. Fourth question, all types of 4 goods. 4 types of goods here. And newly added questions, elasticity of demand and market demand. Sums may come. Okay, sums, right? Okay, here we have got this fourth question, 100% you will get either 2 or 4. Which one? Fourth question. Fourth topic. Right. If we take inferior goods, normal goods, substitutes and complementary goods. Anyone will get 2, you will get maybe 2 marks or 4 marks. Very important. Then elasticity of demand, very simple. Like follow the textbook method. Of course, you can also use a direct formula. Last one. Or else you can just follow whatever the textbook teachers have done. Okay, textbook you can follow. Then even calculate very simple market demand it is. Right? So there in 2 individual demands will be given that you are adding, that's all. Okay, so that is I will take 6 here and you can concentrate maximum on what? The fourth one. So you doubt, okay, the ಹೊಸ questions ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. It depends. Yes, I think I told you that 3 will go. 3 senior lecturers will go. They are identified and they are given the task of preparation of question paper. Before that, they are asked to prepare blueprint. Don't take the blueprint which are given in your model papers or final. Got it? There a new blueprint is prepared before preparation of question paper. 3 will be there, means 3 different blueprints will be prepared. According to that blueprint, we set the paper. And there is no changes in the weightage of marks. 20 marks will come from second lesson. Yes, it will come. No deviations from that. Understood now? Okay, difficulty level, I'll tell later. Right. So, market demand. Just addition, you take 6 marks. You will get 6 marks question 100% from this lesson. How many are writing 6 marks questions? 3. 1 will come. And all have repeated, isn't it? Including supplementary examination, if you observe, all have repeated. The most repeated question, the first one, law of diminishing marginality. Then, features of indifference curve, twice it has come. Optimal choice, once it has come. Movements also once. Market demand curve, twice it has come, including supplementary examination. Okay, so here you can just prepare on this. Just I said no last year, whatever I said as, so just leave that session and you can concentrate on the next one. Got it? Okay. Law of diminishing marginality, indifference curve features, optimal choice. The optimal choice is the short. Okay. Graph itself will get 4 marks. Okay, there's more weightage on the graph itself. Got it? And movements to graphs you have to write from this way. You know all this. Market demand curve, actually that's horizontally, you are preparing and you know this usually they get confused. Market demand and market supply will tell the right answers. Maybe they get confused in graphs. Market supply and market demand by the graph confusion. So what's the solution for the confusion? Practice ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಎರಡು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ರೈಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪಿಂಗ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಎಸ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಯು ಅಪ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಯು ಪಿ ಇದೆ ಓಕೆ ಅಪ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆ ತರ ಚಾಪಿಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು ಓಕೆ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಡಿ ಡೌನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಇಷ್ಟು ಸೈಡ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯು ಮೇ ಲೂಸ್ 2 to 3 marks ಓಕೆ ಬಿ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ವೈ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಿಬಲ್ ಓಕೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ನ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ದೆನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಅದು 0 ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ ವೇ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ ಸೊ the maximum decrease in the satisfaction from the highest level to the lowest level. Just take to remember any of the favorite sweets. Very difficult to have the same level of satisfaction. We have got jamuns, the rasmalai ಇದೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ varieties ಇದೆ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಸಾರಿ ಬರಕ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ now how to remember some of the theories you can apply in your life first time ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವರ್ಷಗಳಾದ್ರೂ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ತಿನ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕಾಲೇಜು ಫುಲ್ಲು ಏನು ಗಮ ಅಂತಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಕಿಚನಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಅಮ್ಮ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ರೈಟ್ ಸೊ ಮಗ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಬೌಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಜಾಮೂನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ ಯು ಆರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ವಾಶ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ swallowed it ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೂ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಈಗರ್ನೆಸ್ ಇತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿಗೆ ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಯುಟಿಲಿಟಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಜಾಮೂನು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ okay ಯಾಕೆ you want to stop the fifth one because you are getting zero satisfaction
ಜಾಮನ್ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಕಿ ತಗೋದಿದ್ಯಾ
okay starting go ಬೇರೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ you want to stop right ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ 6 ಜಾಮನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಅಮ್ಮ right ಆ 6th one ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ವಾಪಸ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಬೈತಾರೆ you will eat that ತಿನ್ಬಿಡು ಬೇಡ ಅಂತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ತಿನ್ನಲೇಬೇಕು ಬೈತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಒಂಥರ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀರಾ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಮೂನ್ ತಿನ್ಬಾರ್ದು ವೈ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾರ್ಜಿನಲಿಟಿ ಡೌನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ 0 ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ 6th ಜಾಮೂನ್ 5th 0 ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇದೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ and write that is what the skill based questions right that way you can plan ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ monotonic difference how to apply easily can we have puri ಇಷ್ಟ without reducing the number of food sorry other items you are taking one more extra puris okay that means what you like more of puris that's monotonic ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೈಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ವಡ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಇನ್ನೂ ವಡೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ವಡೆ ತಗೋತೀರಾ 3 ವಡಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು 2 ಇಡ್ಲಿಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇಡ್ಲಿನ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ and you are not taking the idlis ಇಡ್ಲಿನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಿಂತೀರಾ ಅದ್ರ 3 ವಡೆ ತಿಂತೀರಾ 3 ವಡೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊನೋಟನಿಕ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ without reducing idlis you prefer more of vadas that is monotonic difference ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ಓದಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಐ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ಶೇಷಾದ್ರಿಪುರಂ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಾನು ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ ಕಾರಣ ಈವನ್ ಟಿಲ್ ಟುಡೇ ಅವರು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂತ ಪಾಠಗಳು ಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನಾವು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಬಯಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಓದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಪದೇ ಒಂದೇ ತರ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಬಟ್ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ನಮಗೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕನಾಮಿಕ್ಸ್
ನಮ್ಮಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ.
ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೇಸ್ shows the person left to right. Upper interface curve shows upper side. Two interface curves should not intersect each other, isn't it? If they intersect, wrong results. Mathematically, graphically we can prove. Explanation prove ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಎರಡೇ ತರ. ನಾನು ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Ragnar Frisch, famous economist, 1969 ಅಲ್ಲಿ he got the Nobel Prize for application of mathematics in economics. ನೀವು ಏನು ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನೀವು ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಡಿಮ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾರೋ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೋಬೆಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂತು. ಯಾರಿಗೆ? ರಾಗ್ನರ್ ಫ್ರಿಶ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಮಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಕೆಲಸ. 3 ಇಂಟರ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಂಜೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಡಿ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಗೆ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬರಬಹುದು. ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. ರೈಟ್ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, ಡ್ರಾ ದ ಗ್ರಾಫ್, explain the graph, that solve. You will get full 6 ಗೆ 6 ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಈ ತರ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್, ಓಕೆ, you should be very very smart. Then what about this ಹೊಸ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದು, newly added question it is. Okay, so you can see the change in income. Because of that there is a shift in budget line. There is a change in price of one of the goods. Because of that there is a shift in what? Budget line. You will do change in price. You will do change in income. New question. You do also question ido. Right? Budget constraint ಮತ್ತೆ budget interference curves ಇಂದ demand curve ನ derive ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಬೇಡ ಸರ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಂತೂ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಇದು ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ inferior goods, second hand goods inferior goods, local goods inferior goods, unbranded inferior goods. Very simple, right? Okay. Then what about these products? Very good, you are absolutely correct. Then what about this? Complementary. Complementary. You can see without petrol, without diesel, without battery, can you drive? Calculate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಪಾಲೆ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಆಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ವಡೆ ಇದೆ, ಸಾಕು ಇದೆ, ಚಟ್ನಿನೂ ಇದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಗುಡ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಗುಡ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಗುಡ್ಸ್? ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್. ಬಟ್ ವಡೆ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಡ್ಲಿ ವಡೆ complementary substitutes. Substitute. Very good, very good. So credit goes to your teachers. Okay. And be the teachers, right? We will feel everything about whatever we have in our mind, knowledge. Okay. This is a movement, a shift. Why is it a shift? No. It's a movement. Okay, movement along the mark curve. Why? Shift in the mark curve. Why? You should know. Then, for market demand. Okay. Then, what about this? Elasticity of demand on linear graph. New question. Okay, new question. Right? Then, this is a party question. They have changed. Values only change. Okay, so you can see x1, x2, banana, mango, believe. So many years we used to have those two fruits. Okay, x1, x2, all sorts of other products in pen and pencil, notebook or pen, like that may be added. We prepare for those. Okay, then See, coming to the chapter 3. 3 topics only. APMP, full you should prepare, you will get the question 100%. It has got three parts, TP, APMP. You can see TP, APMP example with the graph and also sums. You will get the sums here. Calculation of APMP, TP is given. Calculation of TPMP when AP is given. And also part equation. Part equation is missing product. Correct? Okay. And even we get returns to scale. Correct? Returns to scale. Then returns to scale we have got 2 marks or 4 marks. Got it? If it is easy, it is easy. Right? It's not much, it's not difficult. Okay? Then do you go to the next part? That is 6 marks here also we have got 3. So number 10, okay, 1 to 3 is short-run and long-run cost. Law of variable proportions. Law of variable proportions I don't suggest. Okay, right? It is of course even in textbook no, so it's not continuous. Right? You can prepare the first and second. Short-run cost, long-run cost. Short-run cost 7 times with graph and calculations you should know. Okay, all types of short-run cost you should prepare. Sum also is there. 2 sums, new sums are also added for even for 4 marks. Be prepared. Long-run cost, graph is important. Okay, right? Then you can see what is this graph? Isoplant. Very easy. And you know where exactly you do some mistakes. You draw the A to L1 combination, and next you draw here and you forget this part. Yes, I have done some. Okay, I will get out of 4. Imagine you get 98% or out of 80 you have got 78 or 79. And you are wondering where I have lost the marks. You take Xerox and you have got the marks for this. Okay, be careful. We will observe these also. When you get maximum, no, when you cross 75 out of 80, it will be double, triple check. Your answer scripts will go for review. Means after the evaluation, first evaluation, one more person will recheck. And what is the role of that person? He will just see where you have done the mistake. He will just identify the mistakes to cut the marks. So further, you should not give a chance. Be careful while drawing the graph. Okay? Right? Then, so log variable proportions, I said, leave it off. Long-run cost, you know, and the short-run cost. Because, okay, you can see how there is not as per textbook you should follow. Got it? And this is the sum. Okay? Right? Missing product. Got it? Now we'll go to lesson number 4. How many marks? 11 marks. I think, okay, what I have seen for the students know, this lesson is a little bit of difficult. Okay, so graphs will come and the derivation will be tough. Okay, let's take the first topic, maximizing conditions. 3 conditions we have split into 2 questions. First condition, second, we have shifted to 6 marks. And the third condition we have written, okay, and that also we have kept under 6 marks. Okay, this first one, 2 questions you can expect on conditions. Supply, very simple, easy. Features of profit competition, channel point, normal and break-even point, all are interrelated. If you study the this one short-run supply curve or long-run supply curve, easily you can make out the last one, elasticity of supply. The elasticity of supply, you prepare by keeping in mind elasticity of demands. Sums are same. Okay, formula same. Only one word is different, that is demand and supply. Calculation is same. No changes in calculation. Formula is same. You prepare for demand, elasticity of demand, you are prepared even for supply. Okay, but be careful while writing the formula. Then 6 marks you observe. Short-run supply, long-run supply, TRAR, market supply, profit and price, here and MR. That is why I told you. And in my important lessons, no, I have not taken this lesson. Got it? I have taken I think I've taken this lesson, right? Yeah, 2, 3, 4. 4% I've taken, yes. 11 marks it is. Right. So, but there are so more topics. And you have to plan it. Okay. So, short-term supply. You should find out the difference. Only one curve will be missing. The difference between these. Okay. Right? Got it? And TR and AR. Very easy. Draw the graph. Here, of course, opening here, horizontal. Market supply. I've discussed last time. That is related. This one for the market demand. Then, graph you should be very careful. Price and profit. TR minus TC you should know. Okay. Then price. How do you find out price here? Average revenue is nothing but the price. TR by quantity sold. If you get no, you will get the AR, average revenue. That's the measurement about the price. And the last one, very easy. You can make out TR, AR, and MR. Okay. Right? 6 marks. We have got 5, right? Okay, that's 4. And these two we expect for the RD question. Okay? Right. Then. So these are all graphs and profit maximizing conditions. Right? You can see the supply curve, be careful. Minimum only they should cross as a SMC. Okay. And supply curve, the dark part of the line is supply curve. Okay. And this is also dangerous zone. You should not go. The price should not fall below this. Okay. All this you should keep in mind. This is not the market supply. Right? So be careful. See, of course. Then the sum and the last part. Okay. They are coming to chapter 5, market equilibrium. How many marks? 10 marks. So if you take the 4 marks question, implication of pre-empty and exit, graph, simultaneous shifts, right, left, okay, at a time, price ceiling, price floor. You may get confused with last two, right, that we have seen, right, that two by drawing the graph, okay. You draw the graph, price floor for price ceiling for price floor. Be careful. The opposite you should take. Ceiling. Remember ceiling fan where it is. Up. So upper limit. But below the market price. The graph will come below the equilibrium point. Okay. And price floor. Ground. Flooring. Ground. Is a lower limit. But it is above the market price. So that way you should remember, just I said no, if at all you are getting confused, draw the graph, okay, one in right hand, other in left hand. Keep it. Try to remember. It is possible. You can also use more of what? Left hand. Okay. Then coming to 6 marks question, we have got fixed number of forms, same as it is. Calculation of QD and QS, addition we have made, addition. Okay, the sums we have made, right? So, tax is imposed. When the tax is imposed, you have to find out the new equilibrium point, new equilibrium quantity. And what will happen if there is a change in price? Okay, then simultaneous, the same question last year's, the previous year's questions. At the time, what exactly there is a change? Right? Demand and supply, graphs also. Then, coming to the last one. Supply and demand unchanged. New questions which is added. The new question bank. We keep the demand curve constant. We shift the supply curve. We keep the supply curve constant. Shift the demand curve. Very easy. Very easy. Okay. You have to learn and whenever revision classes know, you understand, right? So marketing is 6 marks question. So 4 I have given. Okay, fine. Next if you take fixed number of forms, graph, then what is this? Only demand shift. Supply is constant. Then demand is constant. Then shift in supply. You can see simultaneous shifts, right? Then simultaneous shift diagrams. All these are done by your teachers. Okay. You can see here price floor. the upper limit. Price ceiling is upper limit. You see, it is below the market price. Are you getting? What you do know, common mistakes, upper limit no, you take this upper from 2 months you lose. Okay, be careful. So this is price floor, you observe. This is lower limit. Based on the meaning, what you do, you draw the line here. This line you should draw here. Wrong here. Be careful. This is what party question. Excess of the excess demand identification. New question bank. Got it? Okay. Now we will go to next part, macro. Macro, lesson number 1. Only 4 topics are there. One if they are last year only 3 topics. My suggestion, don't leave this lesson. Because it's a small lesson. What's the new question added? Emergence of macroeconomics. It is just in the form of what? It is just in the form of theory or story. Which one? The last emergence of macroeconomics. Got it? Okay. And the difference you have learned in first lesson of micro. Same. 4 points each side, right? Then capitalistic is nothing but what? Market economy. Law of government and households, very easy. How the government is doing a lot to the economy. Okay, doing some infrastructure facilities. And what we are doing, households. Okay, we are contributing, we are everything. We are producers, we are consumers, we are the organizers, and we are the owners of facts of production. Okay, so last year, whatever they asked, I think they have asked this one, and the remaining 3 are important. That way you plan. Okay, fine? Fine, next up. We will go to the next most important topic of the current lesson, that is national income accounting, 17 marks. Okay, so if you take 4 marks questions, final goods, surplus flow of income, externalities and inventories. So final goods, 1 page, see 4 marks, 1 page you have to write. Meaning of final goods, types of final goods, examples. Then surplus flow of income, the chart. Flow of the chart. See, arrow mark is very important. Right? Those who are aiming out of out, that also be observed. The flow from households to firms, or from firms to households. What is one? From each sector. Correctly you should mention, otherwise you lose marks. Then externalities you learn even in the welfare, limitations of GDP and welfare, and even inventories. Okay, in inventories 2 parts are there, planned and unplanned, accumulation, decumulation. Okay, with example, with numerical example you have to do. The 4th one, got it? Coming to the 6 marks. See, 6 marks you will get in this lesson. 100% you will get. Okay, so macroeconomic identity is the most important, most repeated. All 6 points. Methods, all the 3 methods will be giving you what? Same answer. Okay, numerical example. Expenditure method, don't study. Full of equations. But you may feel, okay, it's interesting. Do solve the equations. Very good. Go ahead. But if you are feeling any difficulties there, leave it off. Next, 4th one. GNP, GDP, NNP, NDP, market price and factor cost formula. You should be learning. You will get questions on this. You may also, there is also chance of getting questions from part E. Okay, question is added here. All the lessons, part E questions are added except one from each part. Okay, 9 questions are there. Then GDP and welfare. Limitations, 3 limitations. Here I also have to explain with examples. And the last project question, calculate GVA. Very simple it is. Addition, subtraction, that's all. Which one? The last one. Project question, right? Okay. So some of the sums are taken here, the new questions. So if you know this formula, easily we can solve. Right? Simple mathematics. Alright? Okay. Then this also has solved, right? Then Okay, this is a part A question. Okay, so you know intermediate goods, total production, and the value added. Okay, so here the farmer only these are the plants in red color, that is 500. Right, sales minus intermediate goods we calculate. Or if you want to find out this, those two we add. Subtraction, addition. Okay, that's all. Next. Okay, we'll go to chapter 3, money and banking, next most important lesson. Okay, 12 marks, right? So here, 4 marks, don't leave this lesson also. Functions of RBI, most repeated, 4 marks. Right? Then, transaction demand, speculative demand. Earlier it was one question together, these two, but now we have split. Right? So, transactions demand equations, you have tried. Speculative also equations. Explain those. Very easy. And legal definitions of money. M1, M2, M3, M4. Very simple. Right? What exactly M1 is? CU plus DD. What is CU? What is DD? Explain. Explain means just mention. That's all. M1 and M2 they are money. M3 and M4 they are money. Very easy. And the most common measurement of money is M3. Okay, like that you write if you know perfectly, otherwise leave it. Okay, so the 4 important topics, then coming to 6 marks question, functions of money, story of words, only 2 are there. Credit multiplication, credit creation by commercial banks are not taken. You will not get that question. Okay. Functions of money, but you are relating how the functions are solving the barter systems problems. That's why you have tried. Story of Kala, very easy. Okay. Then demonetization, some changes we have made. You are writing only what the impact on Indian economy. You are not writing in general. Okay. So 2 questions for 6 marks and demonetization. And if they ask demonetization for 5 marks, you will not get question in 6 marks area. Correct? Okay. So next up, we will go to chapter 4. You may feel some difficulties here. If you feel difficulty, you prepare only for 4 marks, 6 marks will leave it off. But when you have seen in model papers, they have asked 6 marks questions from this. But of course, you may feel little tough, right? If you want to prepare, please take the help of your teachers and prepare. I can't assure them they may come or they may not come like that. 50-50. Okay. So, but if you go for 4 marks, no, they are very easy. Consumption function, investment function, and function. After that, you prepare equilibrium of okay, right? Next. So, we go to chapter, same chapter 6 marks. We have about these 3. All have about what? This is table. This and this we have about what? Graphs. Little bit confusing. This and this. Okay, right? And we try to solve this sort of find aggregate demand, aggregate supply. Right? The teachers might have done this in practice. Okay, any new additions? Possibility is there in 2, 4, 5, and 6. 1 mark you may not. Okay, right. Now, basic consumption functions in right? Previous ones. Yeah, final subject, multiplied mechanism, and ADN, AS. ADN, AS. Okay. Calculation of AD and AS. C plus I. C is given, I is given. So to find out and solve. Okay? Right? Right. Consumption function Investment function very easy. Then aggregate demand addition of then equilibrium mixing or ADMAS. Then this is little bit of confusing. Okay, drawing little bit of I said again this one paradox of them. If you understand, very easy. Then you can see the sums here. Okay. Then we'll go to chapter 5, 10 marks. 4 topics are taken. Government budget chart. Very easy. You prepare. You try to understand the 2 accounts of government budget. Revenue account and capital account. Prepare separate chart for receipts and expenditure. Okay. You are prepared with all this. Okay. So revenue and capital expenditure, deficit and public debt, burden. The topics. So how many marks you get from this lesson? How many marks total? 10 marks, isn't it? Okay, 10 marks, you may get 6 marks or 5 marks and 4 marks. Right? Okay, that means you may get given 1 mark, then just of course they'll plan where to ask. But maximum you get 10 marks. So you can see 6 marks. The new question GST. One nation, one tax, one market. Okay, and receipts and expenditure. Third question, so far they are not asked. Taxation, there is a graph. Or project oriented. See the changes here. You can see surplus, deficit, and balance. You prepare yourself. Surplus 1, then deficit, then balance. Each side, right? Maximum 5 points each side. Receipts 5, expenditure 5 particulars. Based on that you prepare, but not less than 3 items. Okay, salary of father, salary of mother, like that you have to prepare. Okay, expenditure, input expenses, medical expenses, like that. 2 columns. Okay, so surplus, receipts are more. Right? Be careful, surplus, deficit, balance, you may get. Any one you may get. Okay? This is what the changes. You can see the swim. Okay. Graph are taken. Last lesson. You can take this balance of payments and balance of trade. See, first 3 topics. First 3 topics will be almost topic. Okay. So first 3 will be balance of trade you observe. 1, 2, 3. One topic only. Balance of payments. You take balance of payments, prepare charts for all of them. Means you are preparing for 3 topics, 3 questions. Balance of trade, current account, capital account. Okay. So then other part of this lesson is fixed exchange rate or exchange rate. 2 we have found. Flexible and fixed. Right? Graphs will come. Then merits and demerits you have to prepare. And the last one, when there is an increase in demand, what is the impact on what? On exchange market. You are observing what's happening recently. See, now the $1 has become 85 rupees plus, isn't it? Right? Whether it is appreciated or depreciated. The value of dollars has appreciated, the value of rupee has depreciated. When the price of dollar increase, the value of rupee decrease. You understand? Very easy to follow. Okay? Graph also is there. You can see only 2 are taken for 6 marks. Balance of payments accounts. Okay. Their current account, capital account full, you have to write. But here you need not prepare chart. Straight away we can explain. And foreign exchange market, that is fixed exchange market with a graph. Okay, graph you have to draw. Easy again. Graph, 2 marks you will get. And the same, we have retained 5 currencies of 9 countries you should know. 9 countries, they'll give and any 5 and you are done with all those, I think. Syllabus is covered fully. Okay, you will learn. Right? The last one, currencies are within 5 countries. Okay, China, Bangladesh, Argentina, okay, Russia, right, UK, USA, right? All those, right? These are the graphs. See, for the questions, you have already taken down this. 9 questions are there. Maybe 3 will come from these. 9 questions are here according to the new blueprint question bank. Okay? Right? Now, I'll take 5 minutes more. Okay, 5 minutes. Just we will have some observation. Okay? I'll give you the planning, how to plan. Timetable, this is temporary. Don't take. You will get official, the new one. 1-3 Canada, 1st of March, like that I will take some of the subjects. Okay, plan. Just you need, okay.
नंब हो गया पूरा. ನಂಬಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
You need just 24 days to prepare for 80 marks. 24 days you take from February. How many days in February? 28 days. Okay, how many subjects? 6 subjects. First to 24th of February, 24 days. 24 days divided by 6 subjects. How many days? 4 days. Each subject 4 days to study. Out of 4 days, first 3 days intensive study. What is intensive study? Take the subject, take the topic, read, close the topic and recover yourself and rewrite by taking any of the rough book. Short way you write. Okay, this is what intensive study. 3 days you have to do like that. 4th day, whatever you written in the form, short form, you go to revision. Got it? This is what you are doing 4 days. Like that, okay. 4 days for some subjects not required. For English, you are very good. No problem. 3 days is sufficient. So 3 days, 1 extra day, you can take that 1 day to other subject which you will test. That way you are test. How many? Till 24. Then 4 days are left. 25, 26, 27, 28. 4 days. There, out of 4 days, the most difficult, you keep 1 day. Easy, 1 day, 2 subjects. Canada, English, 1 day. Okay. Economics. So, only economics 1 day. Or accountancy 1 day. Stats or business studies or some other subject, 2 subjects in 1 day. Like that 4 days. But last day you study the first one you are writing. Means first is what? Canada. Those who have got Canada, that is on 28th of February, you should study Canada. Next day you are writing Canada only. This way you plan accordingly. Okay, that is one. Then I'll give you some of the examination tips. See, your examination is scheduled, and 15 minutes. This year is reduced. Earlier 3 hours 15 minutes. Now this year only 3 hours. There you are preparing for the time management. There will be the examination hall. Very few minutes, please. Please cooperate. I request. Okay, students. Right? Another call is since it's not possible, right? Okay. See, only this one was time management. The skill of writing is very important. See, you have to manage. For example, in the examination hall, you are free to take up any of the parts. You can take up starting part A only. Or, no sir, I will start from part A. Very good, excellent. And then you are writing 2 questions. Right, 10 marks good, completed. Next, you want to take up, say, first main, part A. There, part A, if you take, there is an instruction, first answer will be considered. Suppose you have written, say, MCQ, part B is correct, right? That answer we consider. Then somewhere you feel that it is wrong, and you write something, some other. Though it is correct, we don't consider. Be careful. If you are getting a little bit confused, or you are having some doubt, you just mention question number and leave blank. You can write the answer at the end or in between when you recall your answer. For only what? Part A, all 4 means. Okay, and time management. See, for the first main, that is for part A, 15 minutes fixed. I'm telling only for economics. Okay, then part B, 2 marks, take 30 minutes. Part C, take 50 minutes. 50 minutes. Okay, 5 questions you're writing for 4 marks. Then you take again 50 minutes to write 6 marks questions. 3 you are writing. You need to draw the graph. You have to write the table also. Explanation, you need to earn more. Then you take 10 minutes only for the last one, part E question. Got it now? Part A, 15 minutes. Part B, 30 minutes. Part C, 50 minutes. Part D again, 50 minutes. Part E, how much? 10 minutes. If you calculate, 10 minutes still is remaining. That 10 minutes, no, you just go through the entire answers. Then in case you want to do some underlining, no, highlighting, please do it for 6 and 4 marks. Definitely, it is helpful for us. And be careful that there may be at the end, no, sometimes first exam or second exam, you may feel shortage of time. Don't get panic. And even when you see the question paper, the first instance itself, you may get disturbed, totally blank you become. Okay, have a peaceful mind, relax yourself, no problem, nothing. Try to remember your God, right? And if you tell your tensed, have a deep breathe. Inhale and exhale deep, slowly. 100% your tension gets reduced. And have a look. Don't worry, even first question itself you are feeling difficulty. Don't, okay, put hand on your, okay, God, like that. No, there are other questions. You know how we prepare the question paper? 65% easy. 65%, remember. 35% it is challenging. I don't say it is tough, challenging. Are you getting? Okay, so anyhow, I thank you all. Like it will be nice to add other slides, but it got hang up. Right? Slides now, on video is. One video I have brought, excellent on Indian economy. You better not see. Okay. And you know our media, are they know? They know media. Our media will go to the nation. America, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವರ ದೇಶದ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. That we should feel proud about our country. One more session because I wish you all the best and I wish you a more successful year 2025.